Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Honda CRV car battery step by step. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and wear safety glasses and gloves before you begin. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive, and remove the old battery carefully. Clean the tray and terminals, install the new battery, tighten terminals securely, and test the electrical system. Follow my pace, and we'll have your CRV ready to drive with a fresh battery. Before you start, gather a socket set, gloves, safety glasses, and a battery terminal puller if you have one. Locate the battery under the hood of your Honda CRV and inspect the tray and terminals for corrosion. Use a battery cleaning brush and a baking soda solution to neutralize acid, then dry the area completely before installing the new battery. Have a memory saver or note radio presets, and avoid shorting terminals with metal tools. Keep a rag and wrench handy. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation. A book I enjoy is The Simple Path to Wealth, which offers clear money mindset lessons that pair surprisingly well with practical car care. It teaches simple saving and investing habits that free up cash for car maintenance and emergencies. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by turning off all electronics and removing the key from the ignition. Loosen and remove the negative terminal first, then the positive, and lift the old battery straight out using proper posture. Place the new battery in the tray, secure the hold-down clamp, connect the positive then negative terminal, and verify tight connections with a gentle wiggle. Test by starting the engine and checking lights and radio. Recycle the old battery at a proper facility when finished.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.